Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting documents on Google Docs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Deleting documents on Google Docs is easy to do once you know how. When you delete a document, it will be removed from your documents, but will remain in recently deleted for 30 days until it is permanently deleted. This is to ensure that you can recover documents that you deleted by mistake. Follow the steps to learn how to delete documents on Google Docs. To delete a document from within the document, click File from the top menu bar. Then choose Move to Trash from the options. Click Go to Docs home screen. To delete a document from the Docs home screen, click the three dots button to the right of the file that you would like to delete. Choose Remove from the options. Then click Move to Trash on the pop-up. That document has now been deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Docs tips and tricks.